Watch this video and learn how to draw an enormous whale in the ocean.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello! Welcome to Artie's show!
Hello, Artie.
Welcome, little artist, to Artie's show.
Thank you all for coming.
Yes, thank you for coming, little artist. Artie, are you ready to start our drawing?
Yeah!
Draw an S-shaped line at the top of the page and then another one on the other side. It looks a bit like a bird flying, but it's not. It's going to be our whale's tail. Two little curves from the end, and now we have a tail.
Okay.
Now draw another larger S shape from the end of the tail. Now draw a big curved line coming from the end. That's right, all the way around. And that's the top of the whale's body.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks for that advice, Louie. Now Artie's drawing the whale's fin. The fins help him move along in the ocean. Now let's finish the tail. Another line. And then let's do the underside of his body. One big curve.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Draw a line from his fin all the way along. This is going to be his big round belly. Whales have big bellies. Actually, everything about a whale is big. They're enormous. Let's draw a curved line for his mouth. And then let's do his other fin on the other side of his body. That's right. Time for the whale's blowhole. Just draw a little dark oval at the top. This is where he blows air out of the top of his body. Dance break. You want to stop drawing and have a dance break? Okay, we can do that.
I've never seen that move before.
I simply have to jump for joy. Oh, that's 10.
Wow, Artie, that was a great dance break. Very energetic. Should we carry on with the drawing? Come on, let's complete our whale. Now it's time to draw our whale's eyes. Two little ovals, colour them in black, one on the right and one on the left. That's it. Now he can see us. Hello, Mr. Whale. Hi.
Wow!
Man, this is a great day.
Let's make his eyes even larger. Draw a big oval around the smaller ovals that we just drew. One on the left, and then do one on the right as well, Artie. That's it. Oh, a smaller oval. I like it. Very funny looking. Yes, you made funny cartoon eyes. Now we're going to draw some ocean water blowing out of the whale's blowhole. Draw straight lines up with a little spiral coil shape at the end.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
Let's draw some ocean at the bottom. Draw lots of nice wavy wave shapes. You know what? I think it's finished. It looks awesome. You're finished. I thought so. Well, this is going to look so good when it's coloured in. You're finished! Oh, Artie, he came out so good. I love that the only colours you used were blue. Blue ocean and a blue whale.
Hey, we hope you enjoyed the show. See you next time.
I sure did. Have a great day, little artist.
That's right. Have a great day, little artists. In fact, have an Artie day. Bye-bye.
Bye.